The belief that women are better at This is crucial, not just for advancing scientific knowledge, for providing better, more equitable care for everyone, ensuring that all individuals receive the attention, respect, and effective pain management they deserve. To truly understand the complexities of female pain tolerance, we need to delve into the fascinating world of biology. It's a landscape shaped by unique experiences and hormonal influences that differ significantly from their male counterparts. We must consider the unique biological landscape women navigate. This includes a deeper look at their hormonal cycles, reproductive systems, and the intricate interplay of various physiological factors. Menstruation is a recurring source of pain, a monthly experience that many women endure with varying degrees of discomfort. For up to 90% of women, highlighting the widespread nature of this cyclical pain. It's a significant factor in understanding the baseline pain experience for women, with a significant portion experiencing severe life-disrupting discomfort. This can impact their daily routines, work productivity, and overall quality of life. Childbirth, exclusive to women, is another critical element in this biological equation, is widely regarded as one of the most intense human pains. The sheer intensity and duration of labor pain can leave a lasting impact on a woman's perception of pain. These experiences suggest women are regularly exposed to pain levels that men typically never face, leading to questions about potential adaptations in their pain processing systems. This could, in theory, condition the female nervous system, potentially altering the way pain signals are perceived and processed in the brain, potentially building a higher tolerance. But the relationship between repeated pain exposure and pain tolerance is far from simple. But does enduring one type of pain translate to greater tolerance for all pain? Or does it lead to sensitization and increased vulnerability to other forms of pain? Science urges caution. We must avoid making broad generalizations about female pain tolerance based solely on these biological factors. The unique pain experiences of women are diverse and influenced by a multitude of factors, including genetics, psychological state, and social context, are just one piece of a much larger puzzle. Understanding the biological baseline is crucial, but it's only the starting point. Only by examining all facets, including psychological, social, and environmental influences, can we understand the true nature of pain tolerance and develop more effective strategies for pain management. Scientific studies measuring pain threshold and tolerance are crucial for understanding how we perceive and react to pain. These studies delve into the point at which a stimulus becomes painful and the duration or intensity of pain an individual can withstand. Researchers use a variety of methods to assess these parameters, carefully documenting physiological and subjective responses. Often these studies reveal that women report pain sooner than men. This observation has led to numerous investigations into the potential biological and psychological factors that might contribute to these differences. Furthermore, research indicates that women may tolerate less pain than men, adding another layer to the complexity of pain perception. These findings have significant implications for how pain is managed and treated in clinical settings. However, this contradicts the stereotype of the pain-enduring woman, a cultural narrative that often clashes with scientific data. The discrepancies highlight the challenges in interpreting pain research and the need to consider various contextual factors. This contradiction is particularly evident when comparing lab-induced pain and real-world experiences like childbirth, where women often exhibit remarkable pain tolerance. The intensity and significance of childbirth pain may activate different coping mechanisms and hormonal responses. Laboratory settings, while controlled, often miss the crucial psychological and hormonal factors that significantly influence pain perception and tolerance in real life. The sterile environment can't replicate the emotional and environmental context of everyday experiences. Interestingly, for certain pain types, like ischemic pain, which results from restricted blood flow, men and women show surprisingly similar tolerance levels. This suggests that the type of pain stimulus plays a critical role in determining pain response. This finding is a reminder that pain type matters significantly when comparing pain experiences across genders and individuals. Different types of pain activate distinct neural pathways and elicit varying physiological responses. Furthermore, in endurance sports, women often match or even outperform men as distances increase, showcasing their capacity for sustained effort and pain management. This demonstrates remarkable resilience and highlights the influence of training, mental fortitude, and physiological adaptation on pain tolerance. This suggests that motivation, psychological factors, and the specific context of the situation can override basic sensory differences in pain perception. The drive to achieve a goal can significantly alter how pain is experienced. The accumulating evidence challenges simple conclusions about gender differences in pain and underscores the complexity of pain perception. It shows that pain endurance is shaped by a multitude of factors, extending far beyond biology alone, encompassing psychological, social, and environmental influences. Ultimately, real-world performance and lab results don't always align, emphasizing the limitations of controlled experiments in capturing the full spectrum of human pain experience. The inherent complexity of pain defies easy answers, demanding a more nuanced and holistic approach to research and treatment. Hormones like estrogen and progesterone dramatically influence how women experience pain. Pain sensitivity fluctuates with the menstrual cycle, highest when estrogen is low, lowest when it peaks. Estrogen can enhance the body's natural pain relief, while progesterone's effects are more complex. During pregnancy, high hormone levels raise pain thresholds preparing for childbirth. After menopause, declining estrogen is linked to increased chronic pain. Female pain perception is a moving target, not a constant. This variability has major implications for research and treatment. One-size-fits-all approaches often fail women. Understanding hormonal influence is key to effective, personalized pain care. Our genes play a crucial role in pain perception, and many genetic influences are sex-specific. For example, women with certain MC1R gene variants have higher pain tolerance and respond better to specific opioids, effects not seen in men. Variations in the OPRM1 gene also affect opioid effectiveness differently by sex. These discoveries highlight the need for personalized pain management, potentially guided by genetic screening. There's no single pain gene. It's a complex network interacting with hormones and environment. Genetics help explain why pain and treatment responses differ so much between individuals and sexes. Personalized medicine is the future of effective pain care. The immune system plays a surprising, sex-specific role in pain management. Recent research found that after injury, female mice's immune cells release natural painkillers, enkephalins, triggered by female hormones. This response is absent in males and vanishes if female hormones are blocked. Women may be biologically equipped with a superior system for recovery and resilience after injury or inflammation. This could explain women's endurance in athletics and recovery from childbirth. The discovery opens the door to gender-specific painkillers that harness this unique female immune response. Understanding these differences is vital for developing better treatments. Biology is only part of the pain story culture, and upbringing shape how we experience and express pain. Boys are often taught to suppress pain, while girls are allowed to express it, leading to different reporting and treatment patterns. Women's pain is sometimes dismissed as emotional, resulting in inadequate care. Social expectations can even alter pain tolerance in lab settings as people perform according to gender roles. The stereotype of the tough woman can lead to her pain being minimized, while male stoicism can delay care. Our experience of pain is shaped by identity, history, and society, not just nerves and hormones. Recognizing these biases is essential for fair treatment. Pain is never just physical, it's a social phenomenon too. For decades, medical research treated the male body as the default, sidelining women in pain studies. Most clinical trials used male participants, ignoring female hormonal cycles and skewing results. As a result, many pain medications were approved based on male biology, putting women at risk for ineffective treatment and side effects. Women metabolize drugs differently, and a one-size-fits-all approach is both inequitable and unsafe. Efforts are now underway to include more women in research, but the legacy of bias persists. Closing the gender gap requires studying sex as a critical variable at every stage. Only then can medicine truly serve everyone. The future of pain care must be built on inclusive, representative science. Are women better at enduring pain? The real answer is that men and women experience pain differently. Women report more frequent and severe pain, but may also have unique recovery mechanisms. This complexity demands a move beyond stereotypes to personalized, gender-specific medicine. New treatments should target women's unique pain pathways and account for hormonal fluctuations. Healthcare providers must listen to and validate all pain experiences, free from bias. Studying sex differences deepens our understanding and benefits everyone. The journey to understand gender and pain is about empathy and scientific precision. By embracing complexity and equity, we can ensure better care and relief for all.